Mistplay can block account access until your email is verified, and if that verification email never arrives, you can get stuck at signup or login. By the end of this, you'll know why the email isn't showing up and how to fix it. The first thing to check is your inbox folders. Mistplay verification. Emails often land in spam, junk, or promotions instead of your main inbox. Search your email for Mistplay directly. That's faster than scrolling. If nothing shows up, check the email address you entered. A single typo can send the verification link to the wrong inbox. Go back to the Mistplay login screen and confirm the address matches exactly. If it's wrong, correct it before requesting another email. Next, resend the verification. Inside Mistplay, tap Resend Email. Do it once. Then wait. Sending multiple requests back-to-back can delay delivery because some systems throttle repeated emails. Give it a few minutes before trying again. Now check your internet connection. Mistplay needs a stable connection to generate and send the request. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or the other way around, then request a new email. That forces a fresh connection to the server. Another thing that blocks emails is your provider. Some email services filter automated messages aggressively. If you're using a work or school email, try switching to a personal account like Gmail.to. That can make delivery more reliable. Also check if Mistplay is updated. Open the Google Play Store and install the latest version. Older app versions can fail to trigger verification requests properly. If you tapped the email link before, and it expired, request a new one. Verification links can stop working after some time or after multiple requests. Always use the newest email in your inbox. If you still aren't getting anything, whitelist Mistplay's sender in your email settings. That tells your inbox not to block future messages. And if none of that works, contact Mistplay support directly. Go to the support section inside the app and explain that your verification email isn't arriving. Include the email address you're using and screenshots if possible. That helps them check if the system is sending it. So the main fixes are simple. Check spam, confirm your email, and resend once. Start by verifying the email address first because typos cause this problem more than anything else. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick app fixes.